Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lakara Webis, and in this tutorial I'll be taking you guys through Google Meet. Now Google Meet is just basically a virtual meeting where people can video call. So when you want to locate your Google Meet, you go to Google Apps and then select Meet, just here. Yes, so here you will be given options of new meeting and then the option of entering a link. Now this new meeting applies when you want to create a meeting for later, when you want to start an instant meeting, and then when you want to schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. And then this enter code or link option is simply when somebody has shared with you the link or the code for the meeting. So let's say, for example, that we are going to use the new meeting option. Here we want to create, when you want to create a meeting for later. So here is they're going to give you the link for joining later, and then another option of starting an instant meeting. That one you create the meeting immediately, and then schedule meeting in Google Calendar. And this one will take us to our Google Calendar. And yes, that's the option for setting a future date for your meeting. And then there is also here where any meeting you have scheduled for a future time will appear. For example, when I tap on this one, I'll join the meeting. Yes, it's loading. Then the camera is also starting. Yeah, now here's the option of the microphone. You can either turn it off or you turn it on. You can either turn it off or you turn it on. So here I will allow. So as you can see, my microphone is on, and you can know that by this sign here. This shows that it is detecting sound. And then here is for the camera. You can either turn it on or off also. So it will appear here if you have turned it on. And then here we have the option for background effects. If you want to change background, you are able to use the background effects. Yes. And then here is for the camera. For example, I have the upper camera and a lower camera, so I can either switch it from one camera to the next. And then here I've given you an option for joining, or other ways I can also join. Here, use companion mode, present or show. Yeah, you can choose one. So that is for joining. And then when you are already in the meeting, there are also other features you should know. For example, this is sharing of screen. This is when you have your document, like for example, when you are the one presenting, you are able to share whatever you are presenting to your other people who are in the video. And then this is the option for sending reactions. Yes, you can send emojis using this. And then this is for caption. When you turn on captions, whatsoever you are saying is can be written down. Yeah, that is caption. Then this is for raising hands. When you have something to say, yes, when you have something to say, you can raise your hands from here. Then here, when you want to leave the call, you press here and automatically you have left the meeting. Now this brings us to the end of our video. If you want more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you.